Flickers in my eyes, static whispers, lullabies, losing sense of wrong and right. Still I'm walking through the night. Crack walls, the echoes in the hallway, footsteps looking like a glitch in replay. Vision blurring, nothing feels the same. Reality bending, who am I to blame? Shattered mirrors, faces, I don't know. Time's ticking fast and it's moving slow. Noise in my head, no definition. Dream or get lost in transition. Don't wake me up, I might disappear. Somehow this chaos is starting to feel clear. If this is a dream, don't pull me out. I finally know what this is about. Wandering through the ruins tonight. Neon ghosts fading out of sight. Dreams and reality fully collide. I don't care which side is right. Darkened sky, fading into my mind. All of the lines are undefined. Losing sense, but I feel alive. I become the night.